Now that my eyes and my nose are beginning to look a little bit more like a cat, I need to make my mouth look more like a cat's mouth. Cats have big cheeks right underneath their nose. They're not really cheeks, but the area that their whiskers come from. So I need to keep that wide, and I'm going to outline it with an eyebrow pencil so that I'll give it that effect. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to go wide with my eyebrow pencil and make it curved. Again, you might have to wipe it off occasionally because we do have makeup there that it's trying to go over. So I'm going to curve this. This is going to give it the look of whisker pads that come way out onto my cheek. And then to bring it in, I'll bring it all the way into the corner of my mouth, making it very distinguished and shaping it. And now I need to also make my lips brown. You can do this with your eyebrow pencil or brown lipstick. You could also do this with pink. And once you're satisfied with that, and you have your distinct marks there, then you also want to come a little bit down from your mouth and shape it so that you have that distinctive cat chin as well. Again, anytime you don't like what you're doing, it's not too hard to start over. Just reapply makeup to that spot and you're ready to go. There. Now, my nose looks like a cat nose, and I have whisker pads and a chin that looks more like a cat chin. The next thing we're going to do is add the finishing touches.